This is a video about a science experiment, burning calories, which is an experiment where you will learn a method for measuring how many calories are available in different foods. As this experiment begins, most people will wonder exactly how the amount of calories in certain foods is determined and how we use it for energy. Calories are the unit in which the amount of chemical energy in our foods is quantified. They create the energy we need to keep our brains and bodies moving so that it's possible for me to create and share this video. If you didn't know what calories were before, now you do. In order to give everyone a visual, I've provided pictures from my experiment along with an example of a homemade calorimeter. If you would like to conduct this experiment yourself, here is a list of the tools and materials you will need. Out of croutons, marshmallows, and almonds, which will have the most chemical energy? My hypothesis is that marshmallows will have the highest level of chemical energy, or calories. I believe this because marshmallows are usually very sweet and are composed mainly of sugar, and the other foods are relatively healthy compared to it, so the amount of calories in those foods is most likely significantly lower. The dependent variable in this experiment was the chemical energy level. The independent variables were croutons, marshmallows, and almonds. Here are the steps you will need to follow in order to complete this experiment. Here are a few tips to help you out while you conduct the experiment. What was the end result of my experiment? My hypothesis was proven wrong because marshmallows did not have the highest calorie level. I found that almonds had the most calories and that marshmallows had the least amount of calories out of the foods I chose. This is because even though almonds are relatively healthy, they still contain a lot of fat, while marshmallows, a not so healthy item, don't contain that much fat, so they have little chemical energy. Even though I knew that almonds had high amounts of fat, it still amazed me that it had more calories than the marshmallows, because marshmallows are just large pillows of sugar, which led me to believe they would have more calorie content. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've learned something new.